Logging into 50 plus accounts can feel like an endless task, but it doesn't have to be that way. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to make logging into 50 plus accounts feel effortless. Stick with me until the end, and I'll reveal a free trial of a software I've tested to streamline this process exclusively for viewers of this channel. Now let's get right into it. The key to making this task easier is using a password manager. With a password manager, you only need to remember one master password. The software we'll be using today securely stores all your login credentials, so you don't have to waste time hunting them down or retyping them. First, let's talk about how the password manager works. Once you set it up, the software automatically stores your login details for each account you use. From your bank to your social media, everything gets saved in one secure vault. Whenever you need to log in, just open the app and the software will autofill your credentials, logging you in instantly. This is how logging into 50 plus accounts becomes a breeze. The next thing you need to do is set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra security. With 2FA, even if someone gets access to your password, they won't be able to log in without the second verification step, usually a code sent to your phone. You can easily add this to most accounts and it will work perfectly with your password manager. This way, your accounts are not only easy to access, but also safe from unauthorized logins. Another great feature is syncing across devices. This means you can access your accounts from your phone, tablet, or computer, and your login details are always available, no matter where you are. You'll never have to worry about forgetting a password again, because your software takes care of everything. Let's also talk about organizing your accounts. A good password manager will allow you to categorize your accounts by type: work, personal, financial, etc. This keeps things tidy and easy to find, saving you even more time. And if you have shared accounts, like a family subscription, you can securely share passwords without ever revealing them to others. Now, a bonus tip. Take advantage of the password generator feature. This allows you to create strong, unique passwords for each account, improving your security. The software does this for you automatically, making sure your passwords are complex and not easily guessed. So, to sum it up, here are the main points to make logging into 50 plus accounts feel effortless. 1. Use a password manager to store and autofill your login credentials. 2. Set up two-factor authentication for extra security. 3. Sync your password manager across devices for easy access. 4. Organize your accounts into categories to stay efficient. 5. Use the password generator to create strong passwords. Remember, you can try out this password manager with an exclusive free trial, link in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway from this video is that with a password manager, you can make logging into 50 plus accounts not only effortless, but also secure. By automating your logins and keeping everything organized, you'll save time and reduce stress. Before you go, don't forget to grab that free trial in the description to follow along and experience how it can change the way you manage your accounts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.